Hi guys, before we get into today's video, I want you all to go like and comment on this video and also subscribe if you are new, and for the rest of you, a warm welcome back. And today I'm going to be attempting, and I'm saying attempting because it's going to be my first time doing this. So today I'm going to be doing a 30-inch frontal ponytail install. Been holding this off for a minute, like guys, I don't think you understand. I was so scared to do this, but I was like, you know what, I've touched up the courage and I just came on camera and I just did it, you know. I did it for y'all. So first things first, what you're going to need to do is put your natural hair in a bun and then get your wig cap and put that on. And for best results for doing frontals is that you do the bold cap method. And I say to do the bold cap method because every single video that I see on YouTube of girls doing the frontal ponytail, they've all done the bold cap method. So yeah guys, anyway, once you got your wig cap on, you get your got to be spray and you spray it all over the perimeter of your hairline, and then you get your blow dryer and blow that until dry. So the next step that you're going to need to do is get your foundation and apply that to the wig cap so that it will look like scalp underneath. Then you go in with your scissors and cut around your hair and cut off the rest of the excess wig cap, which you do not need. Okay guys, so the bit that's covering your bun, you just cut a hole and then you cut off the rest of the wig cap, which you don't need also. If you don't really get what I'm saying, then just watch and you'll get exactly what I mean. Okay, good. So once that is done and out of the way, then you go in with any kind of lace glue that you prefer, but I'm going to go in with the Chic Bond glue to install my frontal. So as you see here, I'm going to be using 2 layers of this glue, and that will be more than enough to hold down my frontal. Alright guys, so I got this frontal from my local hair store and this only cost me £44.99. And this frontal is Brazilian Virgin Remy human hair, and it is a 13x4 from ear to ear. Here is a little snippet of how the hairline looked like straight out of the packaging. But of course I'm extra as F, so I went in and plucked it to my liking, and I also went in and bleached it. So with the ponytail, I did purchase this from Amazon, and it does come in a texture straight and in a length 30 inches. And the color is a 1B. And this is synthetic and it is a drawstring ponytail. So when your glue turns clear, that's when you know it's ready. Then you're gonna go get your frontal and place it directly onto that glue. And make sure to press that lace into that glue with your comb. So with this next step, it is an option. You do not have to do this step, but I only do this step because I want to make sure that my frontals are very secure. So as you just saw, I got my got to be freeze blast spray and sprayed it on top of the lace. Then I'm gonna get my band and wrap that around and get my blow dryer to set it all in place. And as you see here, I'm pressing it down because I want to get that extra melt. And guys, I just clocked a crucial step that I missed out. Was when I was applying the foundation to the wig cap. You need to make sure that you also apply the foundation to the lace, so that it will just blend in with your skin and it will just look seamless. But never mind, we're past that now. But all I did was apply the foundation on top of the lace instead, and it still gave a good enough result. Then once everything is all in place, just cut off the excess lace and make sure you cut off the air tabs also. Then I applied my foundation again because I felt like the lace was just giving off that white kind of cast look, so I just went in and applied a second coat of foundation again. I'm going to repeat this step again just because the lace was starting to lift up, so I went in with my Got To Be Freeze Blast spray and sprayed everything down, and then I tied it once more. I'm going to get my blow dryer and dry the hairline to make sure that it is finally all set in place. But before I do all that, I'm going to tie the hair on up so that it's out of the way. Then I'm going to continue on to dry it. So guys, this is what it's looking like from the back. It's looking pretty good so far. After some time went by, I took off the band and there was literally no lace to be seen. What lace? So here at this point, I was just pulling out some baby hairs for later. Then I'm going to go in with my hot comb and slick everything up. And by doing this step, this just makes everything flat and sleek. And for extra sleekness, I'm going to apply my Cantu Flaxseed Hair Wax Stick. And after I finished doing that, I went in with my styling gel and brushed everything up into a high bun. So now onto the baby hairs. I'm just going to do minimal baby hair for today's look. So after that is done, I'm going to get the drawstring ponytail. As you can see here, it has two combs and an adjustable strap for tightness. So what you're going to need to do is put that over the bun that you just created and make sure the combs are in place, and then tighten it with the adjustable strap. And that is it, guys. You see, look how quick that, actually, no, I'm gonna lie to you guys, that wasn't quick at all. This video was so time consuming, but I think if you've done this before and you're a professional at it, it won't even take you as long as how it took for me. And look at what you can achieve with a frontal and a drawstring ponytail. And you do not need to spend that much of your coins to get this exact look. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.